Hello, everyone. My name's Titan. I'm a dog. I bet you're wondering what happened to Mr. Dramus. Well, you see that bone? Yeah, that's the last of him. I ate him. I was tired of his nonsense every day. I'm just tired of him. Every single day he's here, and all he does is give work to you kids. I've had enough of it. I've had enough. All right. Yeah, I know. Okay. Hi, I'm here. Titan did not eat me. Okay. You wanna continue? All right. So today, oh, my bone fell. Okay. All right. So I get you. Okay. All right. For today, Friday, day 5. Um, please make sure that you watch all 3 of these videos. I know one of them you watched yesterday. Some of you watched both. Make sure all 3 videos have been watched for two-way tables, and then complete the other two-way tables practice sheet. Okay, so basically all 5 of these things should be done by the end of today. For the weekend, I don't have anything for you for the weekend. I would encourage you to continue working on the GMAS practice quizzes. Some of you have done a really good job with doing these practice quizzes. And for those of you that are doing them and you're looking at your grade book, you're seeing that your grades are going exponentially higher. And the reason for that is because every time you do a GMAS practice quiz and you tell me what your score is, I look through your grades and I will replace the lowest classwork grade or lowest quiz grade with what you give me, even if it's an 80, right? If you have nothing to replace in terms of low quiz or classwork grades, I'm adding a couple of extra points on a test. So some of your grades have gone up 5, 6, 7, sometimes even 10 points, average 10 points, because you're doing all of this work. So I appreciate that. Please continue to do so. So I'm not really going to assign any quizzes for today, but I would encourage you to please do at least one over the weekend. And on Monday, we'll get back into the swing of really kind of identifying what you need to know for the test. I really do want to test on Unit 6 by the end of next week. And I know it's virtual, I know it's online, but we can make that happen in a really easy way. This test is not like the other ones. It's not even the same layout. It's not the same format. So I know that you're saying, oh, well, he always says it's easy. No, it's I'm not saying it's really easy, but I'm saying that it doesn't even look the same. Like you're going to look at it and say, Mr. Dramus, this is not one of your tests. So there's not really a lot to talk about in terms of data, okay? So we'll work next week on the rest of that stuff. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Miss you guys a lot, all right? So do what you can to get your grades up, and then we'll talk more in depth next week on, what we're going to do, okay? Titan says goodbye. Kind of tired of the computer, though, to be honest with you. Titan, say bye.